Hello again, it's Noob, and it's another cheeky midweek video where I do some unpacking of some packages that I've been given recently. And this one is from, I believe, I haven't checked yet, but this one should be from Kilamaru, who is part of the wider creator community for making lockpicks and tension tools and things like that. I've known about his work for ages. You've got to go check out his Instagram. And yeah, he's been picking and making lockpicks for over 17 years, which is really impressive and way more than I've been doing it. At least 10 years more than I've been doing it. So yeah, much respect. So I don't know why I got this box cutter out. I really don't think I need it, but let's have a look. Ooh. Oh, there's lots of interesting things, and it's well wrapped. Let's move that out of the way. What do we have here then? So, that's so cool. So got a few stickers here. That's Kilamaru's logo, and I don't know if I like the black on black. Can you see that? Get it in the light there for you. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Yeah, I like this. I have this. It's just a small case that I've way outgrown, but I keep a lot of my more used lockpicks in it. It's a hard case, and I put all my stickers on. They're actually overlaying each other now with people's stickers, but I kind of love it. It looks like one of those kind of like old suitcases now with all the stickers and destinations on it. It's a really nice thing. Anyway, they'll be added to that. And we've got some sweets. These are from Italy. A little, it just says thank you, one of one bones pick, and then this is some. I always try to keep my nails very short. As you can see, I actually really can't stand long nails. They drive me mad, and I hate having to clean them. So this is cool. It's like a customized fingernail snippers. Let's have a look. Is there anything more to it? Oh, that's so cool. So they are actually practical nail clippers. Oh, with a little this is so cute, with a little turning tool on one side, and quite a nice like a triple peak, almost like a kinetic rake. I like that. I wonder if there's a way to. Yes, you can. Look, you can remove this. That's so cool. I never thought about that. That's a really cool idea. Oh, I love that out of the box thinking. And then you could do turning and raking. That is so cool. I'm gonna have to probably at the end of the video try to find a lock to try that on. But I love that. It's like not. Do you know what? It's not only covert, but it's actually like practical. I love that. This is great. Such a cool idea. I love that. So, have I got that the right way? Probably. So just fold that in again, like that, and put that like this. I've done something wrong, I'm sure. I'll figure it out later. It'll be fine. We'll figure this out. But yeah, it's very awesome. Such a cool little idea. There we go. That's better. Oh, it's really neat. It actually like folds in just nicely. That's so cool. Love that. These were sent to me as gifts, but it's worth just pointing out as a fellow designer / creator that I think Kilamaru does sell some stuff via his Instagram. So I will, out of courtesy, just pop his Instagram below. What's this? Oh, right, okay. So, my fingers are now stuck to the red tape. So this is actually a pig set. That's so cool. So, I don't know what they're made out of. Quite flexible. Really nice use of what I'm assuming is shrink tubing. What does it say on there? It says mini tube. Yeah, so it's a small amount of shrink tube, and then I'm assuming that this is looks too thin and for a wiper blade. I don't know what material's been used here. Possibly a spring steel. It looks like it's been blued as well. But we've got some really nice sort of wave rakes and a turner and I'd say medium hook. They're quite a thin width here. I don't know what that is, but it looks around 20 thousandths, something like that. And yeah, these are really nice. And a half diamond and some rakes. Really nice work. Very tidy. Very precise, tidy work on these. Really lovely. Thank you for sending those. I like this black crepe paper. Very stylish. Ooh. Oh, nice. No, I've seen pictures of this on Instagram. So I'm just trying to see how that works. So we have, I don't know if there's a stylish thing. I'm just having a look here. It looks like the pick tip, which by the way is incredibly shiny, is sort of, yeah, it's fused here. So I guess that it's this sort of, the handle here will act as a whole, oh yeah, it does, look, here you go, look, that's sort of like a little shock absorber. Just so in case you are putting a bit too much force on here. Either way, just love the work on this. I don't do a lot of like real metal work with like soldering or welding, but I do know that whatever was done to this is incredibly fine work. Because you know, you're dealing with some like really tidy angles, and there isn't much in terms of like welding material, soldering material. I don't know what you want to call it. I don't even know the terms, but I do like the fact that it's sort of is sort of, I don't know, sprung in the middle. This isn't attached to that in the way that this will spring up and down, but the handle is, if I just flex there, slightly dampered. I don't know much about this in terms of how it works, but I do know that I love the attention to detail and the design. It's just something very different and very striking, very eye-catching. Let's pop that little collar back on it. And yeah, very, very shiny. It's like a medium hook, quite short. And then this one looks like a, again, sort of so like a feather touch style turner. So I guess that if it's in a lock, do I have one to hand? Will that fit in? Yeah, should do. So it's almost like you can put a little bit of torque on, like that, and then if you want to put more on, it will allow you to then sort of touch to this section and put more force on. But I think it just gives you an extra level of control. Probably very good for raking, I'd say. So you just keep a sort of a light turning force on. It won't allow you to put too much turning force on unless you really go for it. Combined with that twist there, just adds some extra spring. So yeah, it's like a really cool looking feathered touch style turning tool. I like it. And together, let's have a look at this together. I mean, those are things of beauty, aren't they? And handmade, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, we'll put those just to one side. And then this package, it says Sweden post on here. So Italy and Sweden today. And this is from a subscriber and wider lockpicking community member, Saz Pez. I think that's how I pronounce it. Saz Pez. Apologies if I've got anybody's names wrong or pronunciation wrong. It's so hard when it's just written down. And then I did get a message from him on my Instagram saying, "Can I send you something?" And these are both sent to my PO box. But I can't remember entirely what he said he would send, but whatever is sent will be very generous. Oh my goodness. These are so hard to get in the UK. Isn't that gorgeous? Dom Titan. That is lovely. We do more. Huh. No, that's a terrible tagline. Wow. Hold on. I only thought they did the brass ones. These are such lovely locks. They're such a classic. Made in Slovenia. But yeah, these are such a classic lock shape. Lots of people have done this before. Abloy have done a similar shape. I think Yale did in the day. There's a few of them out there. I think BKS might have done one. Like a really old one. I can't remember. But this is a very old design where the core turns and it's the end of the core actually acts as the locking mechanism for the lock. But I don't think I've ever seen the silver one. These are lovely. Such nice locks, and what a lovely gift. Thank you. And then in here, I just want to check I'm not leaving anything in the package. Nope. In fact, I'll move it out of the way. In here, what do we have? Ooh, another one, which looks like it has a broken key? Or is it? Oh, hold on a minute. Is this a puzzle lock? This could be a puzzle lock. It looks like it's been modified. There's a little key tip there. I haven't actually ever done a real puzzle lock. If this is a real puzzle lock, I've never actually done I know it sounds silly, I've done really cheap ones over my side channel, but not a really well made one, you know, and I think this might be one. I think, or a challenge of some kind. I'm not sure. I'll have to look this up. Not the answer clearly, but I have to look up what this is. Is there any notes towards it? What's this? This is definitely not a lock. Let me just see what's in this piece of cardboard. I think there's a note or something in here. Let me see. I'll just take a look at it just in case it's got like an address or a name or anything on it. Hold on. It is. It's a treasure puzzle lock. Now, oh, okay. So I think I just checked. I don't want to see any answers or anything. I'm hoping. Okay. Okay. Find the hidden treasure guarded by the Titan. Ooh, a treasure. It looks like a pearl. After treasure is found, hide again so no one will find it. One time padlock, one broken key. No external tools are needed or allowed for finding the treasure. This is so cool. I think this is actually my first. So Saspez does again have an Insta. I didn't know this was being sent at all, but I'll link to it. And I think that this that again, contact Saspez on Treasure Puzzle Lock Instagram to have a look at his stuff as well. I'll leave a link below. I love these smaller creators out there doing such amazing work. Oh. And then, oh, this looks like a 3D printed. Oh, right, I got you. So that looks like a little stand. And then you can put the key in there, and looks like that goes in like this, slides in. Hey, is this the puzzle? Have I won? And then you can probably put the little card there, and the little key next to it. Can I just remove that key gently? I don't want to hurt it. Okay, I don't want to hurt it, so I'm just going to slide all of this in here for now, to as a little display. Or do you keep the little? Yeah, that's so cool. I really can't wait to explore this and do a video on it. That's awesome. Absolutely lovely. Wow, have I been spoilt today? And it just so happened, randomly, because I can't control the post, that I have two creators, small, creators of puzzle locks and lockpicks, send me such cool stuff. And yeah, like I said, although I didn't know what was being sent, I'm more than happy to highlight other creators in the world. So yeah, please do go check out their stuff. This is amazing. Absolutely love it. So thank you so much to Kilamaru and Saspez. This is more than generous, and I absolutely love it. I remembered I really wanted to try this out, so just a Muscle Lock 3. I'm just going to pop that in. We're just going to give it a little rake. We're already open. Oh, I gotta love those Muscle Locks, don't you? But that's such a cool little covert thing. I absolutely love it. Anyway, once again, thank you to Saspez and Kilamaru for the kind gifts. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I just loved exploring all this stuff. I can't wait to make some videos on some of the bits here in more detail, some of these lovely locks and things especially. If you do like this video, leave a like. If you have a comment about any of the stuff here, leave one below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out, and I'll see you all next time.